Meet Trauma Troy, NASCO Healthcare's full-body mannequin that has been developed with a focus on DoD, EMS, fire, law enforcement, and other tactical applications.
Trauma Troy is all-terrain, built to meet you in the real classroom. Snow, rain, mud, and grime. He's fully waterproof, cleans off easily, and there's not a wire or electronic in him to worry about. His rugged construction stands up to whatever you put him through, because it's made for what you and your team go through.
Trauma Troy, the no-nonsense tactical mannequin with all the features that you need at a price point that makes sense. For more information on Trauma Troy, reach out to your sales rep or head over to nascohealthcare.com so you and your team can be ready when the time comes.